If your trash can doesn't do this, it's time to throw it away. This smart trash can hide the entire roll of bags inside. Just pull, tear, and replace in seconds. No mess, no hassle, just clean, sleek, and seriously satisfying. Are you still cutting beans like this? Smart women have already used this method. Just pierce and pull to cut the beans into even and delicious shreds. This stainless steel shower head boosts water pressure instantly. It features 360-degree rotation, a detachable design for easy cleaning, and a one-tap pause to save water without losing temperature. Perfect for all showers, especially homes with low pressure. Sick of the mess after every laundry? This soap dispenser hack will change your life. Easy to install, and swapping bottles takes seconds.